I got my third backpack here to review. Let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Alright guys, today's show is going to a guy named TNP Piggy 70 subs. Upload some gaming content, Fortnite specifically. So guys, go head over to his channel, tell him I sent you, and now let's get in the video. Hey guys, so I currently got my third backpack that Matein sent over. Going to be doing an unboxing review of this one as well. You probably noticed that the lighting and everything is really similar. It's because I'm filming this right after my previous video, so guys, go check that video out before you watch this one. So let's hop right into it. So I believe this is a backpack, not the duffel bag. So this is an actual backpack. I think this is a big one. I think this is one meant for carrying large amounts of items. So without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. Open this bad boy up. God. I have so many backpacks now. This is insane. But I love it because I love reviewing technology. Any company watching this right now, any backpack company, anything.
Hit me up because I love reviewing technology and putting products to the toss this to the side. Here we go. It's a nice top all wrap, like whatever. Toss this aside, guys.
Here we go. Another Matein backpack logo, social media. Go follow them, guys. Matein's legit. Okay, let me just make sure everything's in frame. Yep, I think we're Gucci. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up. Might do a time lapse, might not. I don't know. I haven't edited this video yet. Toss all that crap to the side, and we got another Matein bag. In my last video, I mentioned that I might keep this. I probably won't, but it's pretty cool how they include this. I'm sure you can keep this if you want to store stuff. And what I'm referring to is this cinch bag right here. It's pretty nice. Honestly, Matein's legit, guys. Go check them out. Toss this to the side. Here we go. Got nice. Actually, this might be the school backpack. I'm not sure. I think it's a school backpack. But this is meant for carrying large amounts of stuff. I think it's just like super backpack or something. So I'm going to check this out, guys. And I'm going to get back to you with my full comprehensive review, as always. And hit the B-roll. So I just spent some time checking out the various compartments in this backpack, and I gotta say right off the rip, this backpack is really cool. This has some really cool features, unlike the other backpack that I reviewed 2 videos ago that was like a travel backpack. This one's really interesting in the sense that it's different than your average backpack because most backpacks have zippers. This takes an alternative approach, and then it has clips right here to open the main compartment, which is really nice. So let's start with the exterior before we get into the main compartments where you put your books and stuff. So this is marketing to probably young kids, probably college students, high school students, those who are going to school, because you can fit a lot of books in this. Honestly, this would be good for a middle schooler, considering middle schoolers don't usually have lockers and they have to carry around their books all day. So yeah, let's get right into it. Right off the bat, you can see this compartment right here. This is dope. Now I was thinking, what is this useful for? Honestly, not sure, but could fit your lunch in here if you had a small lunch bag. You know, those like brown paper bags. I don't think you could fit like a full-size lunch box in here, but definitely this is good for bringing a lunch. You know what's dope? This is magnetic. This is not a clip. You don't have to sit here and fumble around with it and try to clip it. That can be a struggle. Look at this. You just go like this. Done. Close. That's all it takes. Moving on to the side. I don't think that is. Might be for a cable or something, but this takes an alternative approach to the water bottle holder. Usually it's like a mesh material that stretches. This is thicker and it stretches. This is really cool. Check this out. It cinches back up. So you pull it, and this can fit like various size water bottles. You could honestly fit pretty big water bottle in here, if I do say so myself. And nice thing is, it comes with two. Not just one, two. You can hold two big water bottles in here. I don't know why you'd have two giant water bottles, but you can do it. You can do it. And like the other backpack, all Matein backpacks have some sort of technology associated with them, and they are integrated in them. This is a USB port. As you know, guys, you can charge your phone with this, tablet, laptop, anything you want. Portable charger sold separately, does not come with it, if you were wondering about that. So you just hook it up on the inside, and then you can just plug in whatever you want to this port right here on the exterior. So that out of the way, guys, we can get into the main compartment. This is where things get interesting. We have cinches right here. No zipper to get into the main compartment. And by the way, guys, this is a laptop backpack too, and you're probably wondering, where's the laptop compartment? There's no laptop zipper anywhere. Thing is, it's built in to the main compartment, guys. Let me get my hand out of the way there, sorry. It's built into the main compartment, so you can put your books and laptop in the exact same place. It does not have a separate compartment, separate zipper compartment for your laptop. These unclip. Honestly, this is going to be personal preference for those who like zippers, for those who like clips. I don't know if this is any faster than zipping. Might be a little slower, because you have to do each one and then like reclip it. Having a zipper might be slightly faster. But so let's get right into it. It's going to be hard for you guys to see. I'll do my best in trying to angle it properly. So here we got the main compartment. Here's the laptop part right here. And I tested it out. This can hold a pretty beefy laptop. This is a huge laptop compartment right here, guys. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of dim. Maybe if I turn the flash on. Yeah, there we go. As you guys can see here, huge laptop compartment. Here's the cable that plugs into the exterior USB charging port. Plug this into your portable charger, where can you put that actually? You could put it like in here. This has another kangaroo pouch right here, right next to the laptop compartment. So you could put it in there. Yeah, this is going to be tough to film, to show you guys. But on the other side, so this is the laptop side, this is the other side, we have a zipper pouch right here. You can open that up, and you can put some stuff in here, wallet, keys, stuff like that. We have a little compartment right here. For me, I'm pretty sure most Matein backpacks have compartments like this. I usually put my glasses case or calculator in there. We have another zipper pouch right here on my Matein backpack. I use this for cable management, just put cables in there, stuff like that. And then on the side, it's kind of hard to tell, but we got a little pouch right here. This is a little stretchy, so I don't know what you really put in here, like pens, pencils, stuff like that. Calculator, it'd be hard to fit a calculator in there, honestly. Any other compartments I'm missing? Got some, is this silica gel? I don't know. This is do not open because I think that's poisonous. I think that's it for like main compartments in here. But honestly, you can fit so much in here. That's gonna be main focus of this video, is like, guys, you can fit so much crap in here. This is insane. Matein really went over the top when it comes to storage on this. Look at the size of this thing, guys. This is like way bigger than the other travel laptop backpack I reviewed. This thing's huge. And also, I don't know if I said this already, but it does have a cinch. So you can cinch this up so nothing falls out. And then you go here and clip it. If I can clip it. Not act like a complete idiot. It's all done live, no cuts or anything, so if I screw up, I screw up. Okay, So yeah, you can cinch it sort of like a gym bag, which is pretty cool, so none of your crap falls out. One thing that is a downside is it doesn't have a good handle, guys. This is good for like hanging on a hook or something, but this isn't marketed towards travel bags, so it does not have that thick, durable handle that I know Matein usually puts on their backpacks. So usually they have like one big rubber one or one like thick padded mesh one here. It does not come with that, so that's a disappointment. I think I covered most. Oh, this is pretty cool. I don't think the other backpack had this. This has a little compartment right here on the strap. You don't see that very often. You don't see that. That is weird. But yeah, guys, you know the deal with Matein. They always got that really comfortable mesh feel when it comes to their straps and where your actual back touches the backpack itself. No complaints here. Honestly, they make some of the best backpack products. They have this down to a science where this stuff is just so comfortable. You won't feel this rubbing against your back, hurting your back, scratching your back. All very soft stuff, guys. Got your adjustable straps as usual. Can't speak. You adjust that how you want, and you can loosen it, tighten it, all that good stuff. Another cool thing, if you do want to bring this on vacation, you can strap this to your luggage, like I mentioned in my last 2 videos. They always usually include this in their backpacks, which is really handy. You just slide your luggage handle right underneath here, and then you're good to go. And most of their backpacks come with a little pouch right here. You could fit even more stuff, which is really nice. So I basically covered everything on this backpack, guys. That's basically it, honestly. Holds a ton of stuff. Great for school. Has a million compartments like this right here. Awesome features. Let me just turn off the flash. There we go. Tons of features, guys. No real complaints other than the handle. If you like this kind of design, make sure to go pick this up. If you're a zipper kind of guy, you might not like this. I like the orange accents. Love their logo. So with that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can go pick one of these up off Amazon's website. It's a pretty affordable backpack, not gonna lie. Good value for the price here. Yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, use my Fortnite credit code for that free shoutout that I include in the beginning of every single one of my videos. Go support Matein, guys. They're an awesome company. They're probably going to grow pretty big. They have some of the best backpacks on the market. And that being said, guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace.